Imagine running your business with half the workload, lower costs, and happier customers, all thanks to AI. Sounds futuristic, right? But in 2025, small businesses across the USA are already doing this. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can too. Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner in the US, this video is going to be a game changer for you. We'll explore how AI tools can save you time, cut costs, increase sales, and give you a competitive edge, even if you don't have a big budget like large corporations. So stick around until the end because I'll also share a real-life case study of a US small business that doubled revenue with AI. In 2025, over 50% of U.S. employees are secretly using AI tools in their workplace. Large corporations like Amazon and Walmart are investing billions into AI, but small businesses don't need millions to benefit. AI is now accessible, affordable, and user-friendly. For small businesses, it's not just about growth, it's about survival. Without AI, you risk being left behind in marketing, customer service, and operations. Customer service with AI chatbots. Tools like Intercom, Drift, or even ChatGPT-based bots can answer FAQs 24/7. This reduces the need for full-time staff. For example, a small bakery in New York added a chatbot for online orders and cut response time from hours to seconds. Marketing and social media automation. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or Canva AI create ad copy, social posts, and graphics. Predictive analytics shows what content performs best. Example, a fitness studio used AI-generated ads and saw a 35% increase in signups. Personalized customer experience. AI can segment your customers and recommend products. Tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp AI personalize email campaigns. Customers now expect Amazon-level personalization, even from local businesses. Inventory and supply chain optimization. Retail shops can use AI to predict demand and prevent overstocking. Example, a clothing store in Los Angeles reduced waste by 20% with AI demand forecasting. Financial management and accounting. AI-powered platforms like QuickBooks AI or Bench automate bookkeeping. They detect unusual spending, track cash flow, and generate instant reports, saving thousands in accountant fees. Hiring and HR. Tools like Paradox or Zoho Recruit help filter applicants, schedule interviews, and onboard employees. This saves countless hours in the hiring process. Benefits of using AI in small business. Time savings. Repetitive tasks get automated. Cost reduction, lower payroll and fewer mistakes, higher revenue, better targeting, personalized offers, and improved customer satisfaction. Competitive edge, compete with larger players without needing huge resources. Let me give you a real-life example. A small online furniture store in Texas was struggling with slow customer service and low ad performance. They introduced an AI chatbot to answer questions instantly and use AI-generated Facebook ad copy targeted to specific buyer groups. Within 6 months, their sales increased by 42%, customer response time dropped by 90%, and they saved over $50,000 in marketing costs. This shows that you don't need to be a big corporation to make AI work for you. How to get started with AI. 1. Start small. Pick one area, like customer support or social media. 2. Use free trials. Most AI tools offer free or cheap versions. 3. Learn and adapt. Track performance and adjust. 4. Stay ethical. Don't misuse data. Always be transparent with your customers. So here's the truth. AI is no longer optional for small businesses in the USA. It's essential. If you start using it today, you'll save money, save time, and stay ahead of competitors. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos on e-commerce growth and digital marketing strategies for US businesses.